A year ago, a group of people came together for one common goal: to build a better world. They realized the only way to achieve this is by forging friendships. They made new friends from around the world. They compared what they knew, taught new skills to each other, learned from each other's experiences, and shared whatever resources they had. They touched lives and improved ways of living. In return, they came home smiling with newfound perspectives, insights, and memories. They empowered some new friends to step up and lead. By sharing what matters today and dreaming of what tomorrow may bring, they achieved more together than they ever imagined. They opened up their homes with the intention to welcome new ideas, new cultures, and new friends. They bridged communities by opening their hearts. Along the way, they found friendships that transcend language, culture, and borders. A year has passed, and they have made more friends than ever. Today, we thank you for showing us how the journey to making the world a better place is never a lonely one.